found some insanely cool Barbie life hacks. Let's test them together. I'm Lali, and this is 10 Barbie life hacks. My friend LaLiLu is going to help us.
Hey, hi everyone.
Yeah!
So what do you have there?
Huh?
Let's take a closer look. The first hack is a wrapper dress. Looks interesting. I like it.
Yay!
First, let's pick a wrapper. The green one looks super stylish. Carefully cutting it with a knife. Great, here's our material.
Ooh, can I try it on?
Huh? Then you'll need to change outfits. Ready?
Nope, we need a different model. Here she is.
Oh, that's Lily.
Yeah, she's not trending anymore anyway.
Then let's give her a makeover.
Whoa.
She's so tall.
You're just a tiny little bean. Cutting a narrow strip from the wrapper. This will be the skirt.
It looks like a ball.
Don't distract me. And the top will be pink. This wrapper is perfect. Do you know which cartoon this girl is from?
I can't grab it. What's going on? Lali! LaLiLu, there's a special strip right there.
Right, thanks.
Hop.
Next, I'll need some warm boiled water. Pouring it over the doll above a container.
Oops.
Oh no, the skirt fell apart. I should have sealed it at the back first. I'll try again. Ta-da! What do you think? I think it turned out awesome.
Hey, isn't she cold?
Let's check the next hack. Whoa, an inflatable jacket with soda?
I want one for Barbie, too.
But those don't exist.
Please?
Maybe tape?
Huh?
No, not it. What can we make it from? Lali, any ideas?
Let me think. Got it! Lali idea! Plastic wrap.
Sounds interesting. Let me see. Oh, this one looks the nicest. Oh, it's not just wrap, it's a balloon.
Nice.
Laying out the jacket pattern. Tracing it with a marker.
Now we need to cut it out.
No, I have a better idea. Placing a heat-resistant mat underneath. Carefully sealing along the outline. Ta-da! The edges are sealed. Folding it in half. And sealing the seams.
Oh, I can't watch! Fine, I'll peek with one eye.
All right, the jacket is ready. It's easier than it looks. Trying it on Lily. Folding the lapels.
Super stylish.
Now we just need to fill it. Scooping some liquid and pouring it inside.
Oh no, it's leaking!
Oops, well, this version didn't work. Yeah, you can't trust everything online.
But I really wanted an inflatable jacket.
Don't be sad. We have Plan B. Let's try it with bubble wrap. Cutting it out. Snip. Looks super stylish. Lali, bring the soda.
Here, my favorite.
Ooh, thanks for sharing. I'll grab a few different flavors. And fill each bubble.
Wow, it works!
It looks so bright. Why didn't I do this before?
That's amazing! Yum, yum, you can drink straight from the jacket.
This hack works. Definitely try it and tell us in the comments how it turned out. Let's check the next hack. What do we have here? Aha, a headband from a bottle ring. Got it. Definitely worth trying. Duck delivery. And here's the soda.
My signature limited edition.
Let's go.
Cutting and removing the ring.
LaLiLu, I got it. Oops, it happens.
Next, I'll need a colorful cord. Adding a drop of glue to the ring and wrapping it around. Carefully, layer by layer, and we got this rainbow headband.
Let's decorate it with tiny pom-poms.
Wow, that's so cute. I really love it.
Yep, it looks awesome. But what if I don't have those cords? Can I still make it?
Of course you can. Any ribbon will work. Look. It turned out just as good.
Wow.
You're right. I don't even know which one I like more. Probably the rainbow one. Well, that's super cool.
This hack gets a perfect 10. High five. Barbie's new rainbow look is ready. Let's keep crafting. Wow, gorgeous shoes.
Here's our new model.
Hi.
Wow.
How did you do that? Are you flying?
Huh?
She's on a stand.
Oh, right.
I'll need some thin balloons. Cutting the tips to make little socks. Stretching. Oh no, they're too small. They won't fit.
Try stretching them a little bit more.
Good idea. Inflating and deflating the balloon a few times. Phew, I'm glad I have a pump. There we go, much better. Next step is clear gel polish. Coating the doll's legs. Drying it with a light. Done. Now just cut from the back. Can remove it. Oops.
Looks like you took it off with the leg.
There. Cutting off the excess. Foam platform. Coloring it with bright markers. The brighter the better. Coating the top. Now just decorate with stickers. Cool emojis. Agreed, they look awesome. Sealing everything with clear polish. Super stylish boots are ready. Trying them on the doll. Wow, so comfy. Awesome, now I can go for a run. Thank you.
The life hack works, but honestly, it's easier to just buy ready-made ones. LaLiLu, let's try this instead.
Wow, DIY anti-stress butter.
Let's go, let's go.
Are you sure it'll work?
Huh?
Of course. Have you seen how much slime we have? Please.
Okay, let's try.
I'll look for something else interesting.
I'll start with clear nano tape. Cutting a piece. Writing on the sticky side. Now we need to shape the tape into a 3D block. And a piece in the center. First, I take pink slime. Pulling it out. And filling one side. That's enough. On the other side, I add blue. Removing the divider and sealing the top. Taking off the protective film.
So, did it work?
Yep, it turned into a cool squishy.
Yay, so soft, like a bouncy castle. Your turn, LaLiLu.
It's so fun to play with. Let's try stretching it.
Oopsie.
Oh, it all melted. This toy failed the crash test.
Yeah, not the best hack. I'll find another one. Look how cool.
Coloring hair with markers?
Huh?
Yep, LaLiLu.
Are you sure it works? I don't want to test anymore.
Come on, I even found a Barbie. Look, a gorgeous blonde.
Okay.
Placing the doll on an upside-down plate. I'll start with pink. Coloring the tips.
Wow, let me try too.
Here, that's much faster. Switching colors. Coloring all the hair up to the top.
So did it work?
You'll see.
LaLiLu, show me.
Ta-da!
Whoa, that's awesome.
Write in the comments what you think about this hack. Oops, what a hairstyle.
A cute little chicken.
We need to fix this.
Or leave it like that. Cluck, cluck. We've got a whole chicken farm.
After brushing, it looks much better.
Oh, that's actually nice. Tell me in the comments if yours turned out the same. I'll reply later. You know, this dress doesn't look very stylish. Wait, I saw another hack. Seen that? Funny. Oh, here it is. Let's craft it now.
Hey, where did Lali go? Oh, I've got an idea. You can write what other hacks you know. Hey, there you are.
LaLiLu, glove is here.
Great. No big deal. I need scissors. Cutting off the fingertips. Putting it on the doll. Now cutting here. Wrapping the remaining parts around the waist. Cutting the edge to make a base. Twisting it and putting it on the doll. Hold on. Ta-da! A sporty outfit. This hack is amazing.
Write in the comments if you liked it. Time to bring her to life.
Lali love.
I'm Lali. Want to do some yoga?
Okay.
Like this. Well, not my thing.
Repeat after me. You just have to believe in yourself.
Yoga's not for me. I'm out. LaLiLu, look what I found. A hack to make prints.
Sounds cool.
What are you drawing?
Wow.
Oh, that's exactly what we need.
Really?
Yes.
I love Hello Kitty. cutting the drawing along the outline. Here's the dress base. But, oops, the drawing is too big. I'll resize it. Perfect. Now I'll need plastic wrap. Placing Hello Kitty and wrapping it on both sides. Super duper. Trimming the wrap with a small margin. Placing it on the dress.
Wait! I made another template!
Nice, give it here. Covering everything with parchment and ironing it. Ready to check? Carefully removing the paper.
We turned out amazing! Write in the comments if you knew this hack.
It looks really great. We did awesome.
Let me take a picture.
Okay, posing.
Got it.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Lali, you're the best. Anytime, bestie. One more hack. Look!
Hey, Lali, maybe that's enough?
No, this is the last one. It's super easy. What do you think?
All right, just for you. Here.
A hairband? I'll look for new ideas.
We need more hairbands. Lali!
Nice.
You're on your phone again? Lali, I need rubber bands.
Can't do anything without me. Here you go. These hacks.
Tying one corner. Okay, done. Now the second. Tightening in the middle.
What is that? Head and body?
Yeah. Now shaping the paws. Eyes from black half beads. These are perfect. Fixing them here. Stitching the mouth and nose with black thread. Tying a tiny ribbon bow around the neck and cutting the excess. Hey, Lali, this is for you.
What a sweetie! Woohoo! Yay, so cute! Hi, Lali. Oh my gosh, it's alive! Catch me! Hey, where are you going? Wait, we'll be best friends! Woohoo! You're the best teddy ever! I always wanted one. Let's take some pictures. Smile!
Aw, those turned out great. The hack works.
We hope you liked today's life hacks. See you next time. Bye-bye!